Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned, girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a deer pasta. And that one, yeah, this one right here. Anyways, let's get into it. It says, I'm having a problem and I'm writing for your advice. I'm a 41 years old and I'm married. I am Jamaican born but living in America. My husband was born in America and is a successful businessman. He is 52 years old. My husband was involved in an accident and was home recuperating. We needed someone to take care of him while he is at home. I have a sister who lives in Jamaica. She volunteered to come and help me with my husband. In need, your family always come help you. I thought she would be an ideal person. She has 2 children and she could take the break. She wouldn't have to hide because she would be in the home and nurse my husband while I'm at work. She and my husband were good friends. Whenever we were visiting Jamaica, he would buy gifts for her children. She was given 6 months to stay in the country. Everything was alright. She did everything for my husband and she kept the place very clean. My husband made great progress. I became suspicious of my sister because even when I was home, my husband had to have a bath. She would go ahead of me and bathe him. I went into the bathroom one day while she was giving my husband a bath and my husband's penis was stiff as an electric wire. I asked her if that happens all the time. She said only sometimes. I asked my husband if something was going on between them. He said I should be ashamed of myself to ask him that question. That night I could not rest, so I got up and went into my sister's room and asked her quietly whether she and my husband has ever had sex. She said no, but he has asked her to masturbate him and she has done so. I told her that I was going to have to ask her to leave and she said it's because I don't trust her. She is still here. She told my husband that I want her to leave and he is very upset with me. He is walking much better now, but he still needs help. Please, I'm asking you to tell me what to do. I haven't said anything again to my sister about leaving, and I will do whatever you think is right. So, from my perspective, I'm going to say this. Even though your husband was in an accident, don't mean that he still don't have needs. Sexual desires are involuntary. They come just like how the crave come for eating, sleep, and all of that. So you are very naive to think that your husband still didn't have those feelings. Anyways, I don't trust anybody and I don't put anything past anybody. So I don't know why your sister would take it upon herself to masturbate your husband. If I were your sister, I would tell my sister that your husband is asking me to masturbate him and me not in them things there, so you need to go and do it yourself. That would be my approach to that situation, because I don't want to put myself in a place where my sister don't trust me anymore or my sister feel like I'm trying to have sex with her husband. But everybody different. She might have done it because the husband begged her or whatever, but I feel like something in that, and no woman now go just masturbate them sister husband just like that. I do not care if him sick and upon him deathbed. That is kind of inappropriate to me personally. But do you think that she is trying to get her sister's man? Meaning, you know, the same thing happened with Andreen. Andreen, the woman that lived over here, had her own business. So this is Andreen. If you guys don't remember her story, she came over here a successful woman with her Jamaican boyfriend. She is also Jamaican, her Jamaican husband, and one day she just turned up missing and she have never been found. Up till this day they can't find her. But news hit the streets that her cousin was the one that came up here and planned her whole disappearance with her husband, and then after everything died down, she took over her
cousin's life, meaning she went into Andrine's house, live with the man, sleep with the man. She's now running Andrine's business, and she's now taking care of Andrine's daughter. So is this another case of bad mind, ready eye? You see your family with things and you want it, and you're gonna plot to get it by any means necessary. What are your thoughts?
Her cousin was sleeping with her husband and took over her whole life when she went missing. And maybe this is something similar. Sister come up and say, she want my sister life, want her husband, everything he want, and me do everything you need, everything you want, and see if him all left your wife and married to me and get me to come over here, get me pitting them over here, and everything is going to be alright. Anyways, something in this one, and I don't suspect that she just did it just because. Comment what your thoughts are. Do you think that she was just doing her job and taking her job very seriously and taking it to an extent where she don't want to lose her job, so she do anything with the husband? Say, do you think that something in a something, and they probably had sex before, and that's why she felt so comfortable to masturbate her sister's husband? Do you think that the sister is overreacting and wanting her to leave and go back to Jamaica? Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section, because me feel like something in a something. No one sister is just going to masturbate them sister husband. That is kind of nasty. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. The mix up in this one here, gone. Book. Okay? And I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.